how to check word count in Microsoft Word. So if you want to check how many words you create on your document in Microsoft Word, okay, you'll have to do is on the upper left page menu here, find the review. Okay, go to review. Here in review, in proofing section, you can see here the word count. So you can click this and there are two options. So you can click the word count and show word count. So if you click the word count, you can see here the pop-up and you can see the word count here. And the word count of my document is 29. And also you can check the character and paragraph here. And another one is the show word count. If you put a check on the box on the left side of this show word count, you can see on the lower left side below the word count. So you can see the 29 words. And if you add words, okay, you can see here the word count is now changed, 35 words. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully checked the word count in Microsoft Word.